What's up, guys? This is Thomas the Trainer, owner of Amplified Fitness, and what I'm going to show you today is the anatomy of a week of program design and how we do it here at Amplified Fitness. So in our semi-private training program, the program is very well thought out. It's very intricate. There's been a lot of science and research that goes into this program design, and I'm also going to show you on how it is set up so you can train 5, even 6 times a week and keep yourself healthy and not overlap muscle groups. So let's deconstruct a week here. So we'll say you're starting on Monday, and on Monday our focus is repetition, efforts, lower body. That means this day the focus of the workouts, the meat and potatoes of Monday, is rep work for the lower body. Let's go to the next day. Tuesday. This is going to be endurance and cardio work. So, yes, your legs are sore. However, that endurance and cardio work, getting your legs moving, will actually help with the soreness. And endurance and cardio don't break down the muscle fiber. They don't make you sore. Yesterday, I rode 9,000 meters, and the only time I felt it was while I was doing it. Yeah, it got my lungs going pretty good. But I didn't feel it at all the next day. It didn't make me sore at all because endurance doesn't make you sore. It doesn't break down the muscle fiber. It works your lungs and your heart. All right, going on to Tuesday. So now Wednesday. Now we have max effort upper body. So that is going to be with an emphasis of strength on the upper body. And when I say upper body, I am talking about the anterior, the front of your body, your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. So, and then let's go along to Thursday. So now your legs are sore from Monday, although we have had 48 hours of recovery. Your chest and your shoulders and your triceps are sore from Wednesday. You know, what do you do now? Do you just not go, oh, I'm sore, so I'm not working out today? Well, what about your back? What about your lats, your posterior deltoids, your rhomboids, and your biceps? So you could do back and biceps on Thursday. And then Friday, okay, we've had 72 hours or even longer. It depends on when you started your Monday workout and started your Friday workout. So we've got 72 hours or even longer, which is plenty of time for recovery if your nutrition and mobility is on point. In fact, really the rule is you need 48 to 72 hours of recovery. So now we're going to hit max effort lower. So 2 lower body days, and we've had 72 hours of rest between there. And then we can take it, let's put in Saturday here. So we've hit every major muscle group. We've hit everything. All your muscles have been worked. So Saturday would be a cardio and endurance day. Stuff that is going to get your heart rate going and get your lungs going. It can get a muscle burn going, but not stuff that makes you sore. Things that don't have an eccentric component. That's going to be like the bike, the rower, and the sled. Yeah, you feel the burn while they're doing them, but they don't make you sore the next day because there's no eccentric components. And then circling all this, You need to have your nutrition on point. So important. So important. And then you've got to have your stretching and mobility. Yeah, my handwriting's terrible. Your stretching and mobility. And there's one of the many ways that we do it right there. Real quick, I'll show you another example. So Monday, endurance. Endurance doesn't make you sore. Tuesday, upper body reps. The next day, you're doing lower body strength. The next day, you're doing back work. And then Friday, you're going back to your shoulders, chest, and triceps on Friday, but you've had 48 to 72 hours of recovery, and then cardio Saturday. So as you guys see here, there's a rhyme and a reason for everything that's done, and that is how you set up a proper routine. Some examples of what not to do. You wouldn't, all right, Monday, I'm going to deadlift really heavy. And then on Tuesday, I'm going to do a bunch of front squats. You've just overlapped right there. Don't do that. Then on Wednesday, you're going to bench. On Thursday, you're going to shoulder press. Don't do that. You're going to get hurt. So having a program that's designed, that doesn't overlap muscle groups, is crucial, and that's what we do here at Amplified Fitness, making it okay to train, day to day. So don't not come to the gym because you're feeling sore somewhere. Like, oh, my legs are so sore I can't come to the gym. Well, guess what? We're not training legs. We're going to be training your chest or triceps or your back. So I hope this was informative. I hope it gave you some good information on program design. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you so much for listening.